It's mixed between Paki, Indian, all those countries over there, Guyanese, Bangladesh. They all make these popular dishes. And so let's get started. For this recipe, we're gonna need a half a cup of olive oil. We're gonna let that heat up. This is gonna have a lot of flavor in it, and it's a very good dish. Healthy. I know it seems like a lot of oil, but once you cook and everything, and you add the water and everything, it's gonna be a lot healthier. We're going to get started. You need 2 to 3 pounds of chicken, any parts. Put that in. Some people use specific parts or the whole chicken. It doesn't matter, you can use any parts. Today we're going to use a lot of drumsticks. No skin to make it a little healthier. I'm gonna cook these for like 5 to 7 minutes until they get brown, and then we'll work from there on how else we're gonna cook it. But we gotta get a brown and nice color on it first. Okay guys, in 5 minutes we'll be back. I'm gonna take a look at it. We're gonna add other ingredients to it. We'll be right, guys. Welcome back. It's cooking 7 minutes. We did instead. We're gonna add 1/4 of a cup of water, and we're gonna start adding 2 teaspoons of cumin. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Next thing we're going to add is garlic ginger paste. We're going to do 2 teaspoons of that. So you could do 2.5. I like doing 2.5 to 3 in there, so we'll put 3 in there. Next thing we're gonna put is a little bit of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of it, to give it a little flavor and kick to it. You don't have to, but I put a little bit of paprika in it. Just a tiny bit. And a little bit, you have to put 2, you know what? You could do 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Some turmeric in there. And the next thing you're gonna need is 6 tomatoes, chopped. The tomatoes in there. Put it on the sides and on top of it. And it's all in there. We're going to reduce the heat. We're going to simmer it for about 30 minutes to 35 minutes, and we're gonna let it cook. And all the juice from the tomatoes will go in there, and all the seasoning will be mixed in there. And it's gonna give it a lot of flavor. When we come back in 35 minutes, we'll show you what it looks like. You can smell it already. Alright guys, we'll be right back. Welcome back. We cooked for 30 minutes. I added a third of a cup of flour and added a third of a cup of water, mixed it and poured it in to make the sauce a little thicker. Also, you could add fresh cilantro. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of fresh grounded coriander. And I'm going to put in, you don't need to, it's optional, but I like putting parsley in. More green flavor. More tasty, let the taste pop out. Get that in there. Here's some fresh parsley. Mix it around. The sauce gets thicker. We're gonna let this simmer for another 5-6 minutes. When we come back, we'll show you the final touches of the dish. Be right back, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. We just finished our chicken karahi, and that's how you make it, guys. Until next time, please like and subscribe to the channel. Any comments, please leave me a comment in the comment box. Be safe, take care. There'll be a lot more recipes to come. Bye guys.